buenos días, buenos días, buenos días, buenos días, buenos días, buenos días. Buenos días, mi gente. Good day, darlings. Still in quarantine, so how many days? Oh, we don't know. But we're still together, we're still alive, we're still blessed to continue on and have a new day, a new adventure. I don't know if you guys can see my shirt. Only God can judge me, and he has judged me and found me not guilty. I ain't clean to my sins, honey. Ow. All right, well, today the reason why I'm coming on is that since this coronavirus, I've been trying to figure out, what am I gonna do? I need to try things. I'm tired of the whoa is going on with me. I don't have no creativity, no nothing. Not anymore. I have tons of creativity and adventures I want to try, especially when it comes to the hair. I don't have a hairdresser. I don't have anybody to do my hair. I have to do it myself, just like you. And I've been flicking through YouTube trying to see what should I try. And I was like, well, let's try this natural curly girl journey yet again. Usually when you do your hair, you gotta hurry up and get out the house, a gozar, a pasar el tiempo. You know, now I don't have to worry about it. If my hair looks raggedy, I could just redo it and retry and try again. And I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you guys subscribe. Please comment. You know, all my curly girls, tell me if I'm doing something wrong. I'm gonna show you the products that I'm using. This is according to YouTube, okay? So if I'm looking raggedy, that's all because of you. The first one that I'm having, the Cantu leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna be rocking this, and I'm gonna do the Texture Cantu moisture mask. All right, that's these two things that I'm gonna give a try to. Of course, I like Cantu. This is a new one that I heard is just as good as this one. So do I really need two the same? No, so we're gonna go with this one. All right, we're gonna rock with this. I also am gonna put an oil treatment because my hair is brittle. It is dry. It's looking crazy, darling. So I'm gonna try to bring it all in, and then later, I'm gonna try to do some spiral curls to try to get my curl pattern going. Am I doing right? Oh, my curly girls, tell me you're proud of me. And the hair oil that I'm using is the peppermint, and I'm gonna use the doo-wop. If this is not something I should be using, please comment below, all right? Oh, and the reason why I'm using a t-shirt is because supposedly on YouTube, this is better to dry your hair than a towel. I don't have the other expensive stuff that y'all curly hair girls be doing, so take me as I am, all right? Oh, and I'm gonna add some castor oil because my edges, honey, do you see them going bye-bye? I'm trying not to rip my hair. I know, you gotta be careful with your hair, girl. Now let me ask you something. I'm over here trying to get a curl pattern, but this thing be straight. Do you see how dead this is? It's like the curls are here, but they're not here. You see that? Like, I don't understand. But you know what? We're gonna continue with this journey, okay? Because if it doesn't come out good, you know what? It's hair. We'll figure it out, okay? We'll see. And that's it. That's it. I know that I'm supposed to finger comb it, right? I can't do too much finger combing because I got a split nail right there. I don't know if you can see it. It just kills me. So I can only do but so much. I'm combing it because you gotta comb. It sounds like I'm really ripping my hair and I'm making the faces I am, but I'm not. My comb is kind of gliding. I'm trying here, okay? I got nothing but time on my hands to get my hair in order. And maybe if I do a good job, I could just do my hair myself and save some coin, because honey, I don't know how this money gonna be working at the end of this thing. Now, am I doing too much with the oil? Can y'all let me know? Yeah, I'm like drenching my edges because I need my edges back. You see this? You see this? Honey, I need these edges to come back. And should I be doing oil and then the deep conditioner on top of it? Am I doing the most? I got oil in my eye. I got me the hot head. I put it in the microwave for 15-second increments to heat it up. I like this thing. I bought one for my mom, but I like it because I like the heat, but does it work on my head? I don't know, because I really didn't use it as much for that. I would use it and I would put it on my belly when I have my period. What? I know, a little TMI, but we're gonna have this on for the rest of the day. Rewashed my hair because I had all that oils, and now I'm going to attempt to perm rod my hair. I hope I do well. Again, if you guys, whatever you have comments, please below, let me know so I can make sure I do my hair right. I have the curls, Blueberry Bliss. It's supposed to be a jelly to use. And then I have Best Darn Honey Hair Cream, period. I think I'm gonna go with both I'm gonna try to combine these to get the curls, okay? Let me show you how it looks outside of the wash. I don't really have curly hair. Everybody always says, oh my God, you have curly hair. You should be able to do this. Look at how my hair comes out. I've tried to do a curl pattern. I've tried to do everything and it hasn't worked out. But you know what? We're gonna do these perm rods. Every other one is gonna be a different size and then we're just gonna, you know, full curl it. I even got the jumbo wraps. Enjoy. I love how they came out. Like, girls, did they come out okay? Yeah. Okay, so for what I heard on YouTube, you're supposed to grease up your hands to let it out. As you can see, this one just came out bad. I hope this is the grease I'm supposed to use. What you think? You like? I love it, honey. I love it. Look at this hair, the makeup. I mean, it goes all together, representing who I am. 100% Latina, Dominicano, para que lo sepa. Yes, honey. I'm Latina. I hope you liked the video. Again, please slide through the DM. Let me know what I could fix for the next one. You know, your suggestions. Should I go smaller? Should I not be putting on too much cream? You know, what it is, I don't know, because this is not my hair. I mean, this is my hair, but this is not something I normally do. I strictly keep it in a ponytail, keep it in a hat, keep it wrapped up. I don't know how to really do my hair, but thanks to this Corona, one good thing, I learned how to do this. Yes. Don't ask for the back. Okay, don't look at the back. No, no, no. I'll get that fixed. Que Dios me lo bendiga hoy, mañana y siempre, which means may God bless you today, tomorrow, forever. Deuces, I'm out. Mwah.